sparkling waters of Hourglass Lake. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth. Just ahead and to the right is Disney's Art of Animation Resort, a larger-than-life resort that celebrates the creative magic that goes into crafting Disney animated films, from sketches to reality. On your left is Disney's Pop Century Resort, a memorable resort that celebrates the way we lived, played, and communicated with each other throughout the 20th century. Passengers must disembark and transfer at this station. Thank you, and we hope you enjoyed the most magical flight on Earth.